All right, guys, today I'm going to show you kind of how I'm going to be using my Fix It 21-day fix containers and with my program. So when you get your kit, like she explains in the other video that I gave you, she will tell you how you're supposed to measure how many cups or containers a day you're supposed to eat. In your kit, you will have a guide to your calories for the day. So like mine, my weight was 146 pounds. I had a total of 1,606 caloric baseline. You put that over on the other side, you add your 400, and that's maintenance if I was at the weight that I want to be, which I'm not. I want to lose. So then I go and put my maintenance weight or my maintenance calories over on this side, and then I will subtract 750 to get my calorie target for the day, which puts me in plan A. Let me bring this up here so you guys can kind of take a look at what that is. Now my maintenance plan being A says that I will have somewhere around 1,200 to 1,499 calories a day. And in here it shows how many of each container I get to have per day. Now I am choosing to use the 21-day fix app, which I will show you in just a minute what that means and how that will help me. But for right now, I'm going to prepare some of my foods for one day. I just want to show you kind of what it will look like. So I'm going to go ahead and make up some of my little containers for, I'm getting ready to go to work, so I'm going to take these with me. Let's see, for my veggies, I will have 3 of the greens. This is for the entire day, which like I said, right now I'm only doing 2 meals and my snacks. So for my vegetables, I'll have 2 containers. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate out my vegetables, which I choose to use these awesome frozen steamable vegetables. I like mixed vegetables, so this is what I'm going to use in my containers. So I filled one up. I'm gonna put that in here. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my second one, and then I'll show you guys in just a second which ones I use. Let me fill up my second container, and then I'll still get to have one more, which I'll probably eat that when I come home. So that's container 2. So that takes care of 2 of my containers for the day. Now, what I was saying about my vegetables, I'll show you guys. I like to use these steamers. It's just so much easier for me time-wise and as far as cutting them. I do fresh vegetables too at times, but for right now I'm not going to. Okay, for my proteins, I've already cooked and pre-chopped a bunch of meat up, so I get 4 protein containers a day. So for tonight, I'm gonna use 2 in 1, at least for right now. So I'm gonna try to get as much of my protein in as I can during my work night. So fill that up. There's 1. And fill that up. Oh no, I lost the chicken. It's okay. So for me, I pretty much did just enough for 2. It's a lot of meat, guys. That is a lot of meat. So that's 2 of my 4 servings for the day. And then I also already pre-cooked some ground turkey, flavored it up with the Mexican spice, which I really, really like. So I'm gonna put this in here. So this for me will be container number 3 for my day. I'm gonna put that on the other side because I'm making 2 different types of meals here. All right, so I've got those separated out. So I've got 3 so far of my proteins, and I have 2 of my veggies. I also get to have 2 carbs, which I like either sweet potatoes. I cook mine, and then I like to slice them all up and make it easy for the container,